Yeah, hello, welcome back to one of our tutorials. Right now, for example, we are going to show you how does it work, the ring bell to our one of the systems that we are improving. In this case, for example, what I'm having in this screen, it's all the security integration level, okay? So we have 360 degrees camera plus a bullet Swiss IPVision camera plus a smart CBI and so on. But in this case, what we want to introduce, you see what's happening right now, it's an alarm, because this button, which is the objects detection movement, it's telling me that I am approaching to the ring doorbell in more than a minute, sorry, more than a meter. And then because of this, what's happening, it's this detection creates an alarm which is going linking to the internet. So let's say that we are doing our job in our tablet, in telephone or whatever. We are not at home, and this one wireless is going to call you wherever you are because you have someone at home. So one person comes, they ring, it's blue, you're gonna see here this, and in the screen you're gonna see that someone is calling you. Sooner or later it's gonna come the call in. Okay, here's coming, then we can answer. All right, and when we answered, we are gonna see the image from this camera. Bingo! Wow, look at that. Okay, in this process we can talk to the guys over there and open the microphone. So from the internet we are talking to the guys wireless, okay? One of the best and the very, very, very good things about all this process is like the apparatus, it's with batteries. In this case, for example, the normal position of this ring bell is outside in the street. Outside in the street, bingo. So